When it comes to searching for a right sink grid for your kitchen sink, the very first step is to measure the dimensions of your sink in the right way. As the grid will be sitting at the bottom of the sink bottom dimensions are the key parameters to determine the sink grid size. Serene Valley brand sink grid have a 1-inch height. Therefore, you need to measure the length or width of the sink bottom from the level about 1 inch above your sink bottom. Here, we have a sample to show you how to get the grid size you need based on the sink bottom measurements. We have a measurement of sink bottom length about 26 5/8 inches here. Considering there is a need of about ½ inch room for the grid in and out of the sink, you will need the sink grid length no more than 26 1/8 inches. By the same logic, when we have a measurement of sink bottom width at 14 3/4 inches, you need the sink grid width to be 14 1/4 inches or so. Once the dimension of the sink grid is determined, you need to look for the drain location of your sink. Normally, there are 3 locations: centered drain, real drain, and side drain. Make sure the grid you select have the same drain location as your sink. The last piece you should be looking at is the corner of your sink. Normally, there are 3 corners: 3½ inches corner radius, 1½ inch corner radius, no radius, or 3/16 of an inch corner radius. Make sure the grid you select have the same or close corner radius of your sink. In summary, you need to get 3 things right about your sink before selecting the right grid for it. 1. Sink bottom dimensions. 2. Drain location. 3. Sink corner radius. We hope you find this video helpful in your grid searching, and please let us know if you have any questions.